am going to be unboxing this delivery from Desenio. They are my favorite store to get posters, frames, and other amazing accessories from. Ooh, there's so much cool stuff in here. These are so cute. Look at these posters. Also got this one. Oh, this is so cute. I got this weekly planner poster. So cute. Okay, I love this one. So cute. Look at this one. I am obsessed. Look at how cute. I'm probably gonna put this one right here. That is gonna look so good. Super nice. Black frames. Another black frame. So I got two of them. This poster is from the Studio Hollywood collection starring Sophia Richie, and I absolutely love this collection. So I had to get a poster from that collection. This poster is from the Studio West collection. I love this collection, so I also had to get a poster from that collection. I also ordered a chalk pen for this weekly planner. You can put it in a frame, and then you can draw on it, which I thought was super cute to just keep me on track throughout the week. And it has a cute little to-do list. I'm super excited about this poster. Thank you so much, Desenio, for sending me these super cute posters and frames. I absolutely love them. All of these posters and frames are from Desenio as well. Definitely go purchase some posters, frames, and other accessories from Desenio because I promise you will not regret it. Don't forget to shop via the link in my bio. Also, don't forget to use my discount code Kayla with 2 A's for 40% off prints, personalized, and canvases excluded from Desenio until February 2nd.